Okay, let me try and recreate something or just do something. Let me come here and first of all I need to get that exact shade of yellow you're using. So what's up? So this is it. Okay, so let's work on this background ingredients. Take this one. Take this one. So they are the same exact shade of yellow. So let me in this change this one a bit to maybe something like this. And let me see if I can add noise. Take this on this didn't work. Okay. Then I should come to saturate, come to brightness a bit. Alright, then I'll come here to shapes. Remember that stuff? You reduce your opacity to 0, increase the stroke all the way up, and make it come this way. Let me keep it here so I see what I'm doing. The hole, there should be no hole in the center. Okay, then increase the blur all the way, that's the ingredients. That's right. And reduce your opacity. Copy it, put one here. Copy, put here. Copy, maybe you can put this one this way. Okay, let's get this here. And let's lock this, lock. So we can hide this one, don't need it on the screen again. So this is like some sort of background, Abby. Let's see if we can add these gradients. Just default. And take this way so that's gonna be nice. Make this one black. And make this one invisible. Okay. And just drop the opacity a bit. If it's not necessary, I'll remove it. Let's see if it's necessary. I should just add 3D shadow. Stuff like that. Opacity a bit. It depends on how you see it. Just looking at it. Okay, this one is subject to change. Then now for the lady or any that background is not so cool, but no wahala, that one can always be adjusted. Let me just look for somebody, any fashionista. I should have some here. Okay, let's see this lady. You can decide to give us more shadow. Just drop the. You can decide to bring it out this way. Make it look a bit real. Okay, and unlock her. So now let's get that polka dotted stuff. The bow tie, that was it. I had one, I blurred out one here. It's just a sample, or if you can use any other thing. Even the blurring, I'm never enjoying the blurring. It's not really blurred well. And this is if you must use yellow. Photo. I use a normal one. What do you use? Instagram. Okay, Instagram. This is the one everybody knows. You can now decide to work on this. Okay. Maybe duplicate. Let's put one here. Just stuff like that. Then you now have space for text. Just do it till you're okay with it. Till it looks nice and something like that. Abi, I'm just playing around it. You can add a bit of vignettes. Just drop it like this. You shall see the one that enters. So let me stop. Let me stop here. Okay, for the text, let's see. There's something I've done with this perspective. Let's say, welcome September. I can put two later. Let me use white. So I'll use Rad Wave. I'm modeling what I saw from Ayuba Elijah. It's not like I got it from on my own. Oh, this thing will not worry me. It's too long. Let me use Bebas. Bebas name. Bebas name. Then, now, you drop this thing, especially this one. Drop that gap. Then let me now add perspective. So perspective, I will just increase this one. I'm trying to increase only the forward angles. Make sure it's looking straight. And then now I can now increase this one a bit. Then see, go back and do this stuff. So now I can put two anywhere. I can just put two small. Or I can even leave it like this. Welcome September. So I now know that I have my grid line. I have my starting point here. I put this line here. Such that this one goes this way. Can drop it a bit size. So that means all my text will now align with here. So the next text will be, let us style you up. Let us style you up. Let us just know stuff. this one. That one is misbehaving. Drop this one like this. So I'm working with my grid line. Should I make it black again? Make it black. You can use any other fonts like Poppins, Poppins or Montserrat or Nexa Bold, Nexa. So just drop this one like this. Feels a bit too thick. Maybe something like the regular. So I can move the line now. See where that thing can come here. You can now put other shapes. Maybe let me work with the line again. Magnetic tool, magnetic. So you can write address or any other thing on top of this box now, or phone number or something like that. You can give it a bit of radius of the line. Just on and on and on and on. So this is how to model a design. I'm just taking that guy's work and trying to model it. If you feel like this thing should also rotate with this one, fine. But if it's too close to that thing, there'll be something telling you to rotate it in your mind that you should rotate. So to solve that problem, you can just do something like this. Create a tension breaker. What do they call that thing again? Balance tension, yeah, to balance tension. To show that that one has ended. So you rotate it and put it under. That is the essence of lines. Lines is to create boundaries in our mind. And you could still do another one up. It's called balancing tension. Call it balancing tension. You remove the tension on the unbalance from this text. If you like to, you can make this one white, or you can make everything black. Anyhow, that feels cool. So let me shift this one. So shift this one a bit. So I have space now. So I believe from this point now you can start to do something. Drop.